Did you guys pay the insurance on your cabin?
Yeah, but not on the cabin. My life insurance is good though.
How much life insurance? Yeah, I just got life insurance.
Why
didn't sign up for supplemental? Not enough anymore.
Right.
Man, should have signed up for supplemental.
There you go.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now get her down here.
Alright, if you can jump up there now.
Someone go on the roof.
That's how we got it. It went down a little at a time when we received it.
Yeah. Nope.
This is the hardest part. You have a nice seat.
Softball. Then it's heavier.
That would have been heavier. Yeah.
That's what I told him.
Or just a bowling ball. That would work.
A bowling ball. Yeah, I have an extra 16-pound bowling ball that you can toss.
I'm like a shot for it.
Where's Jessica at?
Why don't we just use a block of steel?
Jessica, throw
Should
this
we have
ball
like
up
a hard
here.
hat on or something?
You can't even get it over the limb.
Fires off the Jetta.
Yeah, but Dale's
He's holding the
working.
other.
There you go.
There we go.
Okay, now throw it again
Oh, there's 4 of them on
What?
so you can.
No, just hold both sides.
Both sides.
Okay, pull both ends.
And just get back farther.
Yeah. Because that's the branch still way out here.
Okay.
Okay, that whole big thing is
Hey,
just
I
gonna come
think-
tumbling down
Look
right
where
on
you
the
need
fire.
to be walking.
Yeah.
Going, go.
Isaac, be careful.
Go faster now.
Just got.
It's just gonna tumble straight at
This
yeah,
is
just
a.
gotta go steady.
I'm gonna go backwards.
Is everyone ready for this?
Do they know that it's happening inside?
I'll tell them if there's a big spoon.
Yeah, something hits up.
Isaac, just run when it goes down.
You can't stop, people.
No, you gotta keep going. You gotta get faster friction on it. Keep it tight. There you go.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Oh, you hit a knot.
no, you got the thing caught. There you go. There you go. That limb's dead. Okay, we're halfway through.
Looking good, looking good.
I need gloves.
No, you don't.
Those ideas that you're like, this is a really good idea.
Whoa! Pull it.
Woo!
Ooh, that was gonna come down soon on the